We at the cleaning station. I'm gonna try to videotape how he does it here. Here we go. He's got the pheasant, cutting the wings off, kind of sawing them off, and then he puts it in there and pulls the breast apart. Wow, that was quick.
Yes, sir.
I guess you got to be quick with so many birds.
Exactly. We get a big pile of them, and some guys want the legs. We do that too. But yeah, when there's a big pile of them, you got to be fast. We got a little system here that makes this a lot easier.
Right. Stick it in there and pull it back. Wow, look at that. Pop the breast right off.
Yeah. Just like
Now,
that.
let me show you something. If you ever get into doing the quail, like I said, I like the quail legs more than I like the breast, but you take it and cut it down to here. Cut that leg down to here. Right to that bone, and then pull that bone out. You get that meat out of that back, so you're not wasting anything.
Oh, yeah.
Now, I left this on there just because I thought we had to have them identified. Now, if you was out in western Kansas hunting wild birds, you couldn't separate that body. You had to have it together, but this is a whole completely deal, and he'll give you a paper that carries you legal without the identification, because here you can get in, and
Yep. We can hunt more birds outside of legal limits, and we can hunt any species or any male or female. Yep. Doesn't matter.
And then if it's legal season, you can shoot the quail too.
That's correct. Yep. Yep.
Wow.
But since we're not raising them, we can't shoot them.
One little patch, man.
Yeah.
That was good. I love quail. I'm from the south, so I didn't grow up with pheasants.
Yeah.
I grew up with.
Now what we're going to do here is boil the brains and really get. No, I'm kidding you. We're going to cut the head off for our brother to use that different fluff and everything there to tie flies. This is where the Lord made these birds for us to do. You can use the feathers for fly tying and everything, and just appreciate the hunt.
Right.
So that Don shows you a little thing that you can use as a hobby to make hat pins. That's
Yeah.
really cool.
Yeah. There's some pretty feathers on these birds here. I mean, you can do all kind of stuff with them, and tying flies and earrings, and they cost a lot of money.
Yeah.
When you, especially earrings for women. I mean, you put one of these feathers on there, and I said I can make that. And my wife would tell me now, no, don't do that. But yeah, there you have it. We getting it all bagged up here, and there's the breast meat. And no time at all, we were done.
Right on.
All right, we'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures out here at Level Creek Outfitters. Where are you located again?
Just south of White City, Kansas.
White City, Kansas. Like I was saying, y'all get out here, and I know I see some dumplings. I see some fried pheasant. Thanksgiving is going to be nice this year.
Right here, what I'm going to do, Don, is give you some recipes that I've got over 20 years of doing hunter's ed.
Okay.
And that's why one thing, we teach kids how to be safe efficient hunters.
Right.
We teach kids how to clean birds, but we also teach them how to go from field to fork. Prepare their harvest for the table.
Right, yeah.
Believe it or not, you can make a dip out of pheasant that has mushroom soup in it, Worcestershire. You look at it and say, man, how could this be any good?
Wow.
Once I tell you, you put that on a chip, you take a bite, your lips will fall in love.
Yeah, you'll be surprised at all the stuff you can do with these birds, and deer meat, pheasant, all of it is edible. I mean, you just got to take the time to get out and hunt it and find it.
You can use the innards and everything, the livers for catfish bait.
All right, there you have it. Here out at Level Creek Outfitters. We'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures.